Can pick it up. And I have a copy for you, Prime Minister.
It is not your birth that makes you Jamaican.
Indeed. Born, yeah.
It is not your
They were the ones who
can do constitutional reform, but it requires authentic consultation with the people. And there must be an effort to have bipartisan consensus on critical issues. And we have not been able to achieve that consensus yet on the critical issue of decolonization, in particular our final court, which is now the Privy Council, the King's Court, that makes orders in the name of the King, as opposed to the regional court, which has been established, the Caribbean Court of Justice, which Jamaica helped to design.
They were the ones who nudged, encouraged, and agreed with the government that a process should be started for the repatriation of our sovereignty. Midway the process, they have turned around to say they have challenges with it. What is it that they really want? Are you truly a Jamaican?
Prime Minister repeated innuendo or direct attack which has been leveled by his party on my nationality. And, you know, I just wanted to just make it absolutely clear that I am indeed born, yeah, as a Jamaican. Here is my birth certificate, and it shows I was born at the University Hospital on July 19th, 1965, and it's right here. I hope your camera can pick it up. And I have a copy for you, Prime Minister, right here. And I wish you could provide me with a copy of your certification, but of course you can't do so. Now, on the question of tax, it is quite, there's a third schedule to the GCT Act now, which has your camera can pick it up. And I have a copy for you, Prime Minister.
It is not your birth that makes you Jamaican.
Indeed born, yeah.
It is not your birth that makes you Jamaican.
Indeed born, yeah.
It is not your birth that makes you Jamaican.